Yeah, all set. So next step we're gonna install the drive belt. Let me look it up on there, but okay. I'm trying to save some time. I don't want to take out the tire. You can do that way. Just try to cheat it a little bit on time. So let's try it first. If it doesn't work, just remove the tire. Try to install the lower belt to the AC compressor and crank pulley. Then we put the AC, the power steering column back on. I just want to cheat them. Oh, funny. I want to save some time. That's all. That alternator Denso I bought from International Auto Part. They carry a lot. It's good quality, you know. And I live in low too, you know. If you need a part, if you live in low too, the same you can call International Auto Part. And a manager down there, his name Tim. He's a very good guy. You can ask him for a favor, or you can talk with him about it. He will give you a good part that you need it. It doesn't save time. This one look like waste time, then doesn't want to go in. Maybe I decide to remove the tire. Okay. enough for me, so I'm gonna install the power steering pump back on. It's number 20mm. 2 bolt, lower and upper. Almost done, guys, but make sure, you know, if you do at home, please remove the passenger side front tires out, okay, and remove the cover. You can see the crank pulley, easy to install the belt. Don't do my way is tough. I just lazy to take out the tire. Sorry, guys, but if you have any question, just let me know or comment below, okay. I can give you more detail, but the way I did it, it's not that right. We need to remove the tire. It's easy to install the belt, but I just wanted to play it. I want to try it. If I don't remove the tire, what's going on? It still works, but just waste a little bit of time. But for me, I like to try a new thing, you know. That's all. I like it. I know it's the way I did it wrong, but still go crazy. Sorry, guys. Just want to have some fun with the car. But remove the tire, front passenger tire, is a good way to do it. It's a right procedure. Okay, make sure don't install the power steering reservoir yet, okay. We will need room to adjust the belt. Maybe I need to remove the tire. It could be. Cannot be cheated on this one. No room. Any. Yeah, it is. No room for me. Okay. Finally, I had to remove the tire. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, my camera run out of battery, so let me stop it for now. Then I record the next video. Okay.